this is 3 hours since the lumbar discectomy, L4/5 level, and everything went very well. You had severe pain in your right leg. How does it feel now?
I feel the pain more in my back.
Yes.
Definitely.
Okay. Anything in the leg?
No, not really. In the beginning, I was a little bit kind of moved a little bit around.
Yeah. Okay. Can I see you walking now? How does it feel compared to what you've been before?
Yeah, I mean, it does feel different. I was limping for sure.
Yes.
Before, and now I don't feel the need.
You don't feel the need, and that pain down your leg. Are you getting anything?
Very little, like
If you just lift them.
very minimal.
Yeah. Okay. Good. And
definitely it is different, but it's sort of weird in my mind.
yes, as I said, it all went very well. No numbness or anything in the leg.
No.
Fantastic.
Feel well, yeah.
Look at that. 3 hours after operation, you'll be going home shortly.
Yeah.
Good man.